Hariom students, today we will discuss about how to round off. Okay, so let's see. Suppose we have to round off a number 527. Okay, any number can be round off about different places. There are total 3 places. 7 is at 1's place, 2 is at 10's place, and 5 is at 100 place. So we can round off this number about 1's place, about 10's place, and about 100 place also. Okay, in your book it is termed as to the nearest one, to the nearest 10, and to the nearest 100. Now we are taking only 3-digit number 527. The rule of round off is, if we have to round off about or nearest 10's place, so we will check 1's place. If we have to round off to the nearest 100 place, we have to check 10's place. Whatever the place we have to round off, we just check the place previous to the given digit. Okay, we have to round off to the nearest 100. This is 1's place, this is 10's place, and this is 100 place. If we have to round off to the nearest 100, then we have to check 10's place. And if we have to round off to the nearest tens, then we have to check 1's place. Now the rule is, if the number is either 5 और ग्रेटर देन 5, मीन्स नंबर अगर 5 हो या 5 से बड़ा हो, देन व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी जस्ट कैरी 1 टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर. वी जस्ट कैरी 1 टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर. लेट्स सी. राउंड ऑफ टू द नियरेस्ट 10, नियरेस्ट 10th place. Okay, so what is 10th place here? 2. So if we have to round off to the nearest 10, we will check 1's place, and 1's place is greater than 5. You can check 1's place is 7, which is greater than 5. Then the rule, according to the rule, we will carry 1 to the next. It becomes 5, then 3. Here it is 2, and since 1's place is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the 10s. So 2 becomes here 3. And what about 1's place? What about 1's place? 1's place is 7. It becomes 0. So rounding off 527 to the nearest tens is 530. Okay, understand? Similarly, round off to the nearest 100. Now we are going to round off the same number to the nearest 100. And what is 100 places here? 5. So we will check just one place before, which is 10th place, 2. And the 10th place is less than 5. If the number is less than 5, no need to carry 1 to the next. 2 जो है वो 5 से छोटा है, इसलिए अगले यानी 100 प्लेस में आपको कुछ भी ऐड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो 100 प्लेस 5 एज इट इज़ 5 ही रहेगा. मीन्स वी जस्ट राइट 5, एंड आफ्टर 5 वी विल पुट 2 0. अंडरस्टैंड? इन फर्स्ट केस वी राउंड ऑफ 10th प्लेस. जब हमने 10th प्लेस को राउंड ऑफ किया तो हमने उससे पहले वाला 1st प्लेस देखा जो कि 5 से बड़ा था, इसलिए हमने उसके बाद वाले 10th प्लेस में 1 प्लस कर दिया. 2 की जगह +1 हुआ तो वो 3 हो गया, एंड 1's प्लेस पे 0 हो गया. जब हमने 100 प्लेस को राउंड ऑफ किया तो हमने उससे पहले वाले 10th प्लेस को देखा, विच वॉज 2, मतलब वो 5 से छोटा था, इसलिए 5 में कोई भी कैरी नहीं गया और 5 एज इट इज़ लिख दिया गया, और बाकी के बाद के डिजिट्स 0 हो गए. इन दिस वे वी कैन राउंड ऑफ. लेट्स टेक another example. 3846. Okay, so we will round off this number also. First nearest tens. when we will round off this number to the nearest tens, this is ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place. Okay, when we will round off to the nearest 10, we check ones place, and ones place is more than 5. So if more than 5, then we will add 1 to the next number. So 4 becomes 5, 3, 8, 5, because 6 is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to the 4 and 4 becomes 5, and here we will put 0. Nearest 100 place is 8. We will check tens place. Tens place is less than 5, so no need to add 1 to the 8. The number simply becomes 38 and then 2 zeros. When we will round off to the nearest 1000 place is 3. Okay, and then we will check 100 place, and 100 place is 8, and which is greater than 5. So we will add 1 to 3. We will add 1 to 3, and 3 becomes 4 here, and then 3 zeros. In this way you can solve your next exercise, which is 1G. So I hope you can easily solve. Okay, thank you.